Hey guys, this is HP DESKJET 4220e. I'm going to show you how to copy your document. To copy your document, you need to open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy. Make sure it starts from on top left, and make sure the information, this document is double-sided, so make sure the information is face down. But the reason why you see this information is because it's double-sided, so make sure it starts from the end, then close it. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to decide how many copies of document, and also if you are copying black or color. So first of all, I want to copy this document black and one page. So you press the black button once. This is the document we copied, black, one page. If you want to copy this document, remember we still have the document, the glass scanner. Okay, this is the document here. So this is A4 paper. Then close it. If you want to copy the second page, we want to copy this document color, 2 pages. So you press the color button twice, 1, 2, and the number change to 2. Then you wait. This is the first one. There we go. This is the second one. So this is how to copy a document from this printer. So if you want to copy with ADF, then the next thing you need to do is you need to stick the document you want to copy. Then the next thing you need to do is you select copy button. So once you stick the document you want to copy, then you select the copy button once. This is the document you copied. To copy the second page, you need to make sure the information you want to copy is on top. For instance, if you want to copy two-sided, now the next thing you need to do is, so take this document, you need to put it on top this way. The information needs to be at the bottom if you want to print the second page. Then put this back and select copy again. There we go. So this is the document you copied. You can see it, welcome is on top. If you also go at the back, the welcome is also on top. So this is how to copy a document double-sided using ADF. So this is the document we copied. We copied this document double-sided using automatic document feeder. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.